Welcome to the Ether Virtual School and Consultancy Services. I'm Captain William B. Picard, and I advocate for maritime education and training. This video will focus on the Kongsberg simulator, emergency generator operations, covering the complete startup, busbar connection, and switchboard distribution protocol for models 78, 70, and 73. All engine room systems are accessed through the process directory. To launch a model diagram, simply click on its title in the directory. We will use the emergency generator, 78, electric power plant, 70, and emergency switchboard, 73. The process follows a three-phase distribution sequence. Phase 1 is the source, model 78, which involves starting the generator and reaching operational RPM. Phase 2 is the network, model 70, where you verify voltage, connect to the busbar, and enable auto mode. Phase 3 is the consumers, model 73, distributing power via the emergency switchboard. A standard protocol involves acknowledging alarms. Starting the generator drains the battery, triggering a low-voltage alarm. To acknowledge, first click Alarm to open the list. Second, click the blinking light to make the indicator steady. Finally, click \exit to return to the main screen. Phase 1. Inside the emergency generator, model 78. Ensure the cooling system uses a radiator and fresh water. The diesel system is marked by yellow lines. The start source is initiated via the starting battery line, and the lube oil system must be lined up and ready. To fire the engine, click Start in the engine control section. It is a success state when the engine reaches exactly 1800 RPM, which must be verified by monitoring the readout at letter N before you route power to the emergency busbar. Phase 2 focuses on the electric power plant, model 70, which houses the main and emergency busbars. The generators are identified by distinct symbols. The smallest for the emergency generator, the turbine for the turbo generator, and the largest for the shaft generator. Verify the state and output voltage. A yellow indicator means the emergency generator is running. Check the output voltage at letter V, aiming for 440 volts. If voltage reads 0, go to Voltage Control and click ON. Step 1. The connection. Click Breaker In to connect the generator to the emergency busbar. Step 2. The automation. Return to the engine control panel and click Auto. It is critical that you never leave this screen without putting the emergency generator into automatic mode. Phase 3 is the emergency switchboard, model 73. Power is now at the switchboard and must be manually distributed to the consumers. Remember the golden rule: if a button is not pushed in, that equipment receives no power. Emergency equipment must always be supplied. The upper array of the switchboard houses the primary 440-volt consumers. The action here is to go down the line and click IN on all buttons in this top group to energize the primary emergency circuits. To supply the 220-volt consumers, click IN on the breaker for the emergency transformer to step down the power, then engage the 220-volt consumer breakers. The 24-volt consumers are supplied independently by onboard batteries. Click IN on all breakers in the 24-volt battery group. While emergency equipment must always be powered, do not click all breakers blindly. The exception is handling spare breakers. Spare indicates an open circuit with 0 connected consumers. Leave these breakers disengaged. This quick reference checklist summarizes the operation, emergency gen, power plant, and switchboard actions. Follow these steps, and the system is now fully operational. Thank you for watching this video on the Kongsberg Simulator Emergency Generator Operations.